The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Liebherr PR 776, you know this isn't just another crawler tractor. It's a monster of raw engineering power and futuristic design. And today we're taking you right into the heart of what makes this machine dominate every terrain it touches. So stay locked in, because what you're about to see will completely change the way you think about heavy-duty earthmoving. Imagine standing next to a machine whose presence alone shakes the ground. A machine built not just to move dirt, but to bend the landscape to its will. And as the engine fires up with that deep, commanding growl, you instantly understand why operators around the world have been waiting for this 2026 upgrade. The new PR 776 comes packed with advanced efficiency features, upgraded operator comfort, and sheer brute force that pushes productivity to new heights. And we're going to show you all of it in action. From massive cuts to precision grading so smooth it looks like the ground is being sculpted by a giant steel brush. As the camera follows the machine rolling forward, you can see the redesigned blade cutting through heavy soil like it's slicing through air. The response time is razor sharp, the control is unbelievably intuitive, and every push feels like the machine is always one step ahead of the operator's command. But what sets the 2026 model apart isn't just strength, it's intelligence. The upgraded onboard tech maps the terrain in real time, analyzing slopes, density, and obstacles to optimize force distribution, fuel consumption, and traction, creating a synergy between man and machine that feels almost alive. Picture the operator sitting inside the cab, surrounded by panoramic glass, touchscreen controls, vibration-dampening seats, and a silence so deep you almost forget you're commanding a machine that weighs several tons. It's like the cockpit of an aircraft merged with the ruggedness of industrial machinery built for war against the Earth itself. As the PR 776 charges into a pile of dense material, the powertrain instantly adjusts, delivering torque exactly where it's needed, eliminating slippage and maximizing forward momentum with absolute efficiency. You can feel the adrenaline as the machine pushes, lifts, and rolls the terrain like it's merely rearranging sand. This isn't just performance, it's domination. Then comes the precision test. The operator lowers the blade, engages grading assist, and the system performs micro-adjustments with surgical smoothness. Watching it shape a perfect contour is hypnotic, the steel edge gliding across the soil with millimeter accuracy. Now we move to the extreme durability demonstration, where the camera zooms in on the heavy-duty undercarriage, reinforced rollers, and wear-resistant components that make this machine capable of surviving even the harshest mining environments without blinking. Dust, rocks, slopes, clay, the PR 776 treats them all the same. As the sun sets behind the machine, the LED light system kicks in, flooding the worksite with daylight bright clarity, proving that this machine isn't built for a shift. It's built for continuous operation, day or night, challenge after challenge. The drone shot pulls back to reveal the PR 776 carving through terrain from above, its blades slicing wide arcs, its tracks gripping with absolute confidence, its engine roaring like mechanical thunder. This is the kind of footage that makes even seasoned operators stop and stare. Then we cut to interviews with workers on site. They talk about the fuel savings, the reduced maintenance times, the comfort, the reduced fatigue, and most importantly the massive boost in productivity. One operator even says that driving the 2026 PR 776 feels like controlling a beast that knows exactly what you want before you say it. But the real climax comes when we push the machine into an extreme test. A steep incline coated with loose rock. Lesser machines would struggle, but the PR 776 climbs with unwavering determination. Every track step calculated and supported by advanced stability control. It reaches the top like it was effortless, the camera capturing a silhouette of unstoppable power. As the video moves toward the finale, the PR 776 performs a final demonstration, leveling a massive work area with precision and speed that leaves behind a surface so perfect it looks machine polished. The machine stops, the engine idles smoothly, and the camera closes in on the Liebherr logo shining through the dust and sunset glow, symbolizing innovation carved into steel. And just when you think the show is over, the operator gives one last aggressive push, sending a wave of soil cascading forward in slow motion, a perfect cinematic ending that showcases the raw beauty of power meeting purpose. The screen fades to black with the message that the 2026 Liebherr PR 776 isn't just a crawler tractor, it's a revolution in earthmoving engineering, a machine forged for those who demand performance without compromise, power without limits, and efficiency without sacrifice.